Hey YouTube, check out that S13. Gonna be a little project car. But right now I got the Evo up at my buddy's shop, and this thing is gonna get a full paint correction, which is why it's up here. He's gonna work his magic on that, and I am gonna work a little bit of magic on this S13. I thought it'd be kind of cool, a little addition to the channel to show this car a little bit. Basically, it's already turboed, but the engine is blown. And what we're going to have to do is pull the engine out and put a new short block in it. We did a compression test on it, and it was wasted. It was maybe 80 psi on 3 cylinders and like 110 or something on the last cylinder. Supposedly, it's got a built bottom end in it, and the guy ripped on it one time, untuned, and it started smoking really bad out the valve cover. And my buddy came across a really good deal on it because the motor was blown. I guess somebody dumped a ton of money into it and blew the motor on the first or second drive out, ripping on it, untuned. Not very smart. I guess the previous owner was done with it. And I just thought it would be kind of cool to show this teardown of this S13 and the subsequent buildup with the new short block in it, and maybe we'll do some other things to it, but that's that. And the Evo's all tucked in here, and I'm pretty excited about the paint correction on this thing that's going to get done. Get out all the little swirls and the faded paint and everything that's going on with this. It's oh yeah, you can really see it there. That paint is terrible. You probably can't see it in all the other vids just because I never had the right lighting or got that close, but it is just super bad on the roof. And yeah, you can really kind of see all the swirls and scratches in it. So this is going to get a bunch of work done to it, which I'm excited about, and it'll look good when it's done. I mean, it looks decent now, but of course with the full paint correction, it'll look awesome. But that's it, guys. Just want to do a quick update, let you guys know where the Evo stands and what else we're working on here. And I figured I'd just do a quick video on this S13. If you want to see more videos on it, feel free to post or comment. I mean, I don't mind doing a little bit on this car. They're kind of cool, I think, but you know, feedback helps. And when this is getting its paint correction, I'll be showing some video of that too, and show you what we're doing. Alright guys, that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.